Now today we're opening a GooGoo Ski doll. Now I'm gonna open this up. Oh wait, I forgot to show you that. Here's the instructions. You have to put things in, stir up, everything like that. And now I'm gonna open. If I can't. Okay, that was actually what I was wrong. I got one. Okay, now let's get this out. I probably need my mom's help because the GooGoo Galaxy's doll wheel thing is stuck. Now that we have all the pieces out, I'm gonna put the syringe in here, which is very hard. And I got two glitter blocks. I'm only gonna do one. I have this that actually fits in her mouth, and this is the stand for her. I'm gonna put this right in here. Wait. See where it goes. Oh my god, this thing is so hard. It just snaps off. Baby dances, baby dances. Now we're doing baby dances for you. Oh my god.
That's right. Push in there.
God, I'm starting to think that doesn't fit.
Oh yeah, you had it on the other way. There you go.
And now that we have that, now I need this bowl and this. I may need some water too. And apply those open. And dip, I think, all of it in.
Mm-hmm.
All of it in, just like so. Come on. Oh gosh, that smells like slime. But not the normal slime. The gross, disgusting slime. Now I need water.
Pick some glitter.
And then I gotta pick two glitter. This is actually my favorite.
Show it to the camera.
This is my favorite. Even this one because it has little spiky things on it. That's my also favorite. But I can only pick two, but this is my favorite too.
This one's open.
I have 3 favorites.
We'll put 3 favorites in there then.
Okay, that's one. You're only supposed to do 2, but we're doing it.
All right.
Yeah, we're doing it something else.
Leave it out.
So hard because that's just a little hole.
Need a bigger hole.
Yes, please. Sometimes you need to flick it like I do. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. Maybe I don't have to flick it. There we go. Now that I got a bigger hole. Oh, that came out. There we go. Now
And you're gonna fill water up to the line.
Now I gotta fill water up to the line. Oh, that's doing so perfect.
You need some more water, or are you gonna be good?
Gotta be good.
That's close enough. All right, use your mixer and mix it up.
Okay, now I need my mixer. Does it go this way or this way?
That way goes in, I think.
Oh, it's working pretty well.
Here, we're gonna add a little bit more to make it. There we go. Mix it up good.
But you need to be careful. You don't want to splash anything. You gotta get it everywhere too. Ew. When are we gonna get the syringe?
After it turns into slime. Okay, we have to turn it into slime.
It's so beautiful. Why is it slowing down? Why is it slowing down?
It's starting to turn slimy.
Oh, I can see it from the bottom. All the things are sticking to it though. Ooh, gaga, me hungry. I think I do a good voice for this little GooGoo Gaga baby. I think she's from outer space because she doesn't look normal. GooGoo Gaga, me hungry. Oh gosh. What are these? Mommy? Where are these?
I don't know.
Where are these supposed to go on?
The more we wait though, the more it is turning a little slimy, so.
Ooh.
See, getting into slimy?
Yeah, that's so cool. Looks like a wave pool, but at the ocean. Also, guys, buy this toy. It's way fun to play with. And if your your mom or dad lets you do a video, if you have one, then you can make your video like any other YouTubers. I tried this out because I want to.
Alright,
Oh,
that's
that's
pretty slimy.
ugh. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's pretty slimy.
Alright,
Now I need it to go into syringe. Ugh.
you're doing it.
Duh. Yes. I didn't even get half of it. Okay. Guys, we're in the GooGoo Gaga baby mama. Oh, sorry. The your help. I can't get it in. Why does everything have to be so? Oh, that's so disgusting.
Oh, okay. I don't think you were in all the way. Okay, now push it.
Oh, that's so disgusting. I think I need a little more to fill everything up.
I think we're gonna.
I got you in the way. Oh, that was disgusting. Oh gosh, looks so beautiful. This has to be other than. Ew, this is slimy. She's getting guys slimy. Looks like poop. Oh gosh, I got blood. Oh wait. Gosh, scared me. Can you feel it? I keep missing it. Yeah, I didn't need it. Oh, what? Good clean up.
It's actually like closer up so your slime stays away.
Come on, I need you. Ew, my big goof. Now that she's filled, now you have to put the pacifier all the way in, and there you go. You have your own GooGoo Gaga slime holder. Take it out. Ew. When you want to take it out, you can play with your slime. But first, you gotta squeeze. Oh
okay,
my god.
Turn it around and show the camera what it does when you squeeze it. Squeeze harder. There it goes.
Isn't this really disgusting? Oh my gosh. I gave this a 10 out of 10. And I'm trying not to get it on the table. It's too late. So that's your own GooGoo Gaga baby. Galaxy doll, you okay? GooGoo.
Alright, Mika.
Like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Hit that like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.